To create a lesson presentation, follow these steps. First, input all of the necessary information for the following questions. Select the curriculum, grade level, and subject. Then, provide a brief explanation of your lesson objective, along with specific information that you wish to include in your presentation. Next, select the number of slides and the national identity domain if applicable. Once you click Generate, it will take 90 to 120 seconds to create your PowerPoint. Once it is created, review all of the content to ensure it is applicable for your lesson. If you are happy with the content, you can export it via PowerPoint or Google Slides. If you wish to modify the content, use the box at the end to explain the changes that you wish to make. Then, click Regenerate. Once the content has been regenerated, it will include the changes that you included. Then export the content via your preferred method. Remember that you can use our text-to-image tool to create images to add to your PowerPoint. You are guaranteed to save hours of planning every week by creating your lesson presentations using HelpMeTeach.